got going on the press today is just a simple one color print. It's for a daycare. It's just the name of the daycare, and it's going on the back of a t-shirt. So pretty simple job, shouldn't take too long, so just hang out and check it out.
In this video, I'm going to be applying a rally stripe up through the Porsche all the way from the top down the back. So let's take a look at that. Now that I've got the vehicle cleaned with soap and water here on the hood, a little bit of the roof and the back, I like to take 15-20 minutes. I usually start on the front, kind of go towards the back. That way when I come to the front, it's dry, kind of ready to go. On the roof there's a couple little plastic pieces that you really got to clean inside of them, because what I'll do is I'll take a little piece and I'll kind of run it just barely into that little plastic underneath it. That way it holds it down, also looks finished. Also on this vehicle, and I'll show you here once I get done, there's one of those clear bra type pieces on here that will end up going over. So I'll show you how that looks once I'm done. Now that I got this graphic positioned here, this is, by the way, this is Avery wrap material, so it'll go on nice. It'll conform to these curves down here. So let's get it put on. Just a note, you cannot, I'll end up having to take this transfer tape off, because you cannot conform it once this transfer tape's on. So you'll always want to remove any tape if you're trying to go around the curve. To get the stripe lined up through the roof part, I'm using a laser here. So what I'll do is I'll shoot the end at the black point, and then up to the black side also. Now on to the back here, where we've got to have a stripe, and then we've got a little indent that we've got to work around here. This is kind of why I decided to use Avery wrap material, because of this bend here. It's not the easiest thing for most normal vinyl to stick onto. So. Part of the reason why I like to clean the first part that I'm going to put on, then work my way towards the back and put clean the last piece that I'm going to put on last. That way when I get to the front, everything, even if there's a little bit of water or something hiding in here, it gives it time to dry. Otherwise, if I push that in, there's water, then it doesn't want to stick and I've got to start over.
Over on our direct garment machine today, we have some race car t-shirts going on for Atlee Johnson. So just check it out.